Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to configure this type of GSM relay module. I bought this myself on Aliexpress, and I've seen similar car being purchased on eBay and Amazon, so it shouldn't be a problem to get a hold of one of these. Just a quick run through the setup. It's an easy setup with the 12 volt power source, and then we have I've connected the relay number 1 to this test light to show that it's be energized and de-energized. First thing that you need to do is to get yourself a SIM card. This is a micro SIM card, and the first thing after you have purchased the card, you need to remove the SIM code. If you don't remove the SIM code, then the card won't connect to the GSM network. So, as the setup is, the hardware is set up, we need to now authorize telephone number to connect with the card. The first thing that we need to do then is to put in the password of the card. The default password is 123456. So we will put in star 123456 and then end it with star again. And then we put in sharp and number 1. This means that we are authorizing number 1 on this card. We can authorize more numbers if we want. And then the number you want to authorize. And this with sharp again. You can change this password if you want. I will not show you how to do it in this video, but if you comment below, I will consider making a video on changing the password. I don't think it's important to change the password because it's only me that knows the number for the SIM card, and I've stored it on my phone. Nobody else knows it, so it shouldn't be any problem to have this password. But if you, of course, have a card that you need several people to contact with it, you can also change the password so they can change the authorization of the card. Okay, we will send this number then to the GSM module. This will light up and it will flicker back and forth. That means that it is receiving a text. The card is now authorizing the number I've sent, and it will give me a feedback on it if it's okay or not. As you can see, use number 1 is set okay. Okay, very good. We can now move forward to send a command to the card. I will now close the relay number 1. You always need to use caps on. If you don't use caps on, it won't work. On 1, send. And as you can see here now, the lights turned on. You heard a little click, and the card should send a feedback to the phone that it's set. Just a second now. Yeah, relay 1 set on. And now we want to close relay 1. Then we'll put in off 1. As you can see, it's quite simple. Simple commands to send. If we have a look here. Yeah, it went off. And of course, the card will send a feedback that it's set off. If you want to have a status on how the relays are on the board, you can also send a command to retrieve a status text, STA. As you can see now, it sent us status of the relay 1 set off. So I will send STA, send. The card will now respond with which relay is on and off, or the status of the 2 relays. Yeah, relay 1 is off, relay 2 is off, and version number 6.2, that's the software on the card. So that's it, guys. It's very easy to set up, it's very easy to configure it, and it's very easy to use, and I think it's a very good card to use remotely control whatever you want, actually, from all over the world. As long as you have a cell phone and the possibility to send a text, you can control something on the other side of the world, and I think that's quite good. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope I deserved your thumbs up. I wish you luck on your own DIY project, and see you soon.